In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I am Muhammad Shahid, subject specialist in English at Divisional Public School and College, Sahiwal.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. How are you all, dear students? I hope you will be fit and fine. A very warm welcome to DPS Digital Class. Dear students, please stay at home. May you remain safe and sound in this pandemic situation. Dear students, today we are going to study order of adjectives. Let us see the possible learning outcomes of today's lesson. By the end of this video lesson, you will be able to identify the correct order of adjectives in a sentence. Use correct adjective word order and finally solve exercise C at page number 41 of Oxford Grammar Tree, unit number 8. Dear students, we have read in previous classes about adjective. Can anybody tell me about adjective? Yes, an adjective is a describing word. It tells us something specific about a noun. Adjectives can be used either before or after the noun they describe. In this example, large is an adjective. Dear students, there are two phrases in this slide. You will tell me which one is correct. A big white dog or a white big dog. Try to give the answer. Your answer is right. A big white dog is a correct phrase because there are two adjectives in this phrase and they are in order. Dear students, we are going to introduce order of adjectives. Dear class, when you are going to use a number of different adjectives to describe a noun, it is important to be able to put the adjectives in the correct order. The reason for this is that when placed in the wrong order, numerous adjectives can sound misplaced, uneven, and somewhat cacophonous. In this section, we will be looking at the best way to order your adjectives, which will not only allow your sentences to follow much more easily, but will also give you the impression of being a good speaker. In English, it is common to use more than one adjective to describe a noun, but these adjectives must be used in proper order. Here is the order that we generally follow. The order in which adjectives should be placed in a sentence is as follows: opinion, size, age, shape, color, origin, material, and purpose. This is the adjective order we have to follow it. Often a noun is qualified by more than one adjective. In such a case, it is important to describe how the adjectives should be ordered or sequenced. Which adjective should come first, which second, and so on. In English, it is common to use more than one adjective before a noun. For example, I recently bought a beautiful old German sports car at an auction. When you use more than one adjective, you have to put them in the right order. Order of adjectives. Dear students, how many adjectives do you see in example number 1? There are 4 adjectives in this sentence. Order of the sentence is: beautiful is opinion, old is age, and German is origin. As well as sports is a qualifier. Dear students, let us look at example number 2. In example number 2, there are 3 adjectives. One is new, second is red, and third one is silk. In this sentence, the adjective new is age, red is color, and silk is material. In the same way, you can easily identify the adjective order in sentence number 3 and 4. Dear students, observe how the adjectives in the 4 example sentences above have been categorized. Given below is a table that will help you decide how to order adjectives. Here are two examples to illustrate the order of adjectives. The sentence above has four adjectives that qualify the noun dress. They are in the following order: 2 is number, elegant is opinion, blue is color, and silk is material. Dear students, read the sentence number 2 and observe the sequence of adjectives. The hotel has 3 exquisite conference rooms on the 3rd floor. Sequence of this sentence is quantity, opinion, and purpose. Here is a great tip for keep the order of adjectives in mind. Remember the acronym COSACOM. Q stands for quantity, O stands for opinion, S stands for size, A stands for age, C stands for color, O stands for origin, M stands for material, and P stands for purpose. Dear students, let us recap the learning of the order of adjectives. At first, quantity in number or amount is illustrated by an adjective. Secondly, opinion is what the speaker thinks. Next is size, which tells us how big or small a noun is. Fourthly is age, which tells us how old or young a noun. Fifthly, color tells about the color of noun. Sixthly, origin tells about the origin of the noun. Seventhly, material tells about the material of which the noun is made of. And at the end, purpose, which tells about the purpose of the given noun. I strongly hope that you have learned the order of adjectives. Dear students, now we shall solve the exercise C, unit number A of Oxford Grammar Tree with the help of today's learning. In sentence number 1, the order of the adjectives for the noun landscape is wrong. Can you think of its correct order of adjectives? Most of you have guessed correctly. The correct order of adjectives for sentence number 1 is: there was nothing interesting about that uneven, ugly, pale landscape. In sentence number 2, the order of the adjectives is incorrect. Dear students, you will tell me correct order of adjectives. Dear students, your guess is right. The correct order of sentence number 2 is: his method produced perfect round golden pearls of crystal. In sentence number 3, the order of the adjectives for noun jacket is wrong. Dear students, remember the right sequence of adjectives. Well done, dear students. Once again, your answer is right. The correct order of sentence number 3 is: I have given my old brown Italian leather jacket to my brother. Dear students, keeping in mind the acronym COSACOM that tells the sequence of adjectives in sentence number 4. Dear students, correct sequence of sentence number 4 is: we gifted her a beautiful little blue Chinese vase on her birthday. Now it is a time to correct the order of adjectives of sentence number 5. The correct order of adjectives for sentence number 5 is: she is creating a tall, slender clay image to decorate her house. Dear students, read the sentence number 6 and observe the sequence of adjectives. She looked tall and elegant in her new black dress is the correct sequence of adjectives for sentence number 6. Dear students, we will move towards the sentence number 7 to get the correct sequence of the adjectives. The correct solution of sentence number 7 is: people who knew Napoleon realized that behind his short and stocky appearance there existed a sharp and precise mind. Dear students, read the sentence carefully and write this sentence by correcting the order of adjectives. According to acronym COSACOM, the correct order of adjectives of sentence number 8 is: there were a dozen beautiful, well-formed yellow roses in the bouquet. Dear students, ponder over the sentence number 9 regarding the correct sequence of the adjectives. I have found him to be a soft-spoken, well-behaved, yet well-educated man. This is the last sentence of exercise C. Dear students, what is correct order of adjectives in this sentence? The beautiful lacy wedding dress suited her perfectly is the correct order of adjectives of sentence number 10. Now it is a time to sum up our learning of correct order of adjectives. The order of adjectives is the sequence used when there is more than one adjective to describe a noun. This order helps the sequence make sense when you read it. The correct order is number, opinion, size, shape, condition, age, color, pattern, origin, materials, and purpose. Your homework is assigned. If you feel any confusion while doing homework, you can get guidance from your class WhatsApp group. You are welcome. Thank you and have a nice day.